杯啊。
要找到肉了。but the Panini is damn good. The pasta is damn good.
Is it? Eddie got the 烧肉啊。I think.
You know what? I should have gotten that.
他刚刚我拿烧肉，他介绍一个烧
That's good.
What cheese you got?
8 cheddar, I think.
What do you get? The first. You don't remember?
You want the first one?
It was on YouTube.
Oh, okay. And the cheese? Oh.
I think that's why that one's the best because it's the least salty. Oh, got cheese. Oh, this is like burrata or something. White color one.
有黑色的，肉在哪里？
Dude, you know why this one is like? Because I keep stealing the bread now, bro.
Wait, they're not scared of people. Are we eating in a mess? This is so funny.
Toscani is really 4.7 2,000 reviews.
Wow. 多少那种？很多种。你不知道它真的甜的吗？
I'm the
And now we're gonna cross to go to the Duomo and not to Rome, don't mind, but the street still leads to Rome. Probably the wine windows are the only things that we had really invented, so you have to know. Yes, 5 centuries ago, the Florentine bankers they had transformed a great wine producer here in Toscany, in Italy in general. Thanks of the Medici rule, biggest cathedral in the world. Nowadays, not the biggest has to be Rome, St. Peter's, but biggest, smaller, doesn't matter. Centuries, nowadays, for example, we can go inside the churches without any problem. Nowadays, no one gonna ask you if you are Christian or not. But in the past, look, absolutely no. Astronomic instruments, because Filippo Brunelleschi was mathematician, man, philosopher, poet, sculptor, but people was even a watchmakers and an astronomic man. That's why he built the Duomo. Not just to be a roof, but even to be a solar clock. To be honest, the sun rays. Now we are in Piazza del Mercato Nuovo, the new market square, commissioned by the Medici family. Look again on the ceiling, the diamond ring, one of the... Say here on the balcony because the street is not pedestrian, okay? Are you ready with Armando? Thank you.
还有 frame bill 的味道。现在 try 的是冷的，应该是。哇，good 啊！你是 hot nice， 因为 soft 啊。
So what is this?
it's just like a bit of new food, basically.
牛肚啊
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Let's sauce back in. You need a cup.
Yeah.
Underwear man.
你有发给我没？
I will.
Not bad. I won't try it in a while. This is not too strong in flavor actually, so it's not that dry. Not that. What's that called?
Salt.